Today, I'll be showing you how to make my version of the Spanish omelette. This is a hearty and tasty dish that is very simple to make and perfect for a breakfast or brunch. All you really need are some pantry staples and bacon to make this. Welcome back. My name is Daniel, a home cook who's passionate about food, here to show you simplified recipes that are easy to follow using common ingredients. If you're new to this channel, remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell for more delicious recipes that your friends and family will love. Now let's get started on my version of the Spanish omelette. We'll start by preparing all of the ingredients first. Finely mince 1 clove of garlic, then slice potatoes that have been washed and peeled evenly to about 1/4 inch in thickness, like you see here. I'm using 3 small yellow potatoes today, but you can use whatever kind you like, although I do prefer the more waxy variety in this recipe. Once they've all been sliced, place them in a bowl and set it aside for now. Then slice half a medium or 1 small onion thinly into strips. Just give them a quick toss with your hands to break them up and set that aside as well. We'll be using 3 eggs in this omelette, so go ahead and crack them into a large bowl. Whisk them up together and season it to taste with salt and black pepper. Give that a good stir and set it aside. Turn your stove on to medium-high heat and place 3 strips of bacon into a non-stick pan to fry. Throughout the rest of the cooking process, adjust your heat between medium and medium-high heat accordingly. You will notice that the bacon will start to shrink as the fat renders out into its liquid form. This contains incredible flavor. Flip the bacon several times and fry to your desired crispiness. This looks pretty good to me. Then transfer it to a plate to cool while draining the excess oil back into the pan. So I'll be reserving about 1/4 to 1/3 of this bacon fat for its flavor, but not all of it because that's a little too heavy for me. If you remove some of the bacon grease like I did, add a little bit of vegetable oil back in, and then add the onion into the pan. Stir the onions around to get it coated in that oil. Then cover it with a lid and turn your heat down to medium to let it cook for several minutes. Meanwhile, go ahead and crumble your bacon into bite-sized pieces for later. Returning back to your stove, your onion should have started to caramelize, as you can see by the golden brown color. Give it a quick stir, and then add the garlic to the pan, along with a splash of oil to get that frying. When the garlic turns lightly golden, stir it together with the onions, infusing all that flavor in. Then push it to one side and add in the potatoes. Give the potatoes a good toss in the oil to get it all coated. Then stir everything together in the pan. The potatoes are going to absorb all that wonderful flavor from the garlic, onions, and bacon fat, making it super tasty. Remember to season it with some salt and pepper to taste. Mix it together, and then spread the potatoes as best you can into a single layer to develop a nice golden brown crust. Cover the pan with a lid for several minutes. We want the potatoes to become tender but not so soft that it turns into mush. You can see that beautiful color that's developed on the bottom, along with the onions continuing to caramelize, which is exactly what we want. Give it another good toss, and then spread it evenly to get even more color on the potatoes. Just a couple minutes there with no lid. Then add the bacon back in and stir it all together. You can also turn off the heat at this point. Now add all of this to the egg that we beat earlier and combine it well. Cover it with a lid and let it rest for about 10 minutes so all the delicious flavors can meld together. Then, over medium to medium-high heat, add a little oil to the pan, and then pour the egg mixture in. Spread it all evenly in the pan, and then cover it with a lid to let it cook for a few minutes. Check to make sure the omelette isn't sticking by running a spatula along the edges and giving it a good shake. There shouldn't be a problem if you used enough oil. Cover it again and let it cook until the top has set. And then it's done. We are not flipping this over like in a traditional Spanish omelette. Instead, what I like to do is to transfer it halfway onto a serving plate and with the assistance of the spatula, fold the other half over, making a semicircle. Look at that beautiful brown crust there. That is perfect. Cut into wedges and serve immediately. It goes great alongside some toast and fresh fruit. And there you have it, the Spanish omelette that your friends and family will be raving about. I hope you enjoy. All right, it's time for the taste test. I'm really excited about this one. This is my version of the Spanish omelette, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna take a nice big bite here with potatoes, bacon, egg, onion. Smells so good. Right, here we go. Oh, that's so delicious. The saltiness of the bacon. The potatoes are nice and tender. Oh, incredible flavors. That bacon fat really does help here. There's so much flavor in this. And I like the crispy brown crust on the top on one side of the egg, but the other side is not brown, so it has this nice balance there. Second bite, let's go. This is perfect, absolutely perfect for breakfast or brunch. You can double this recipe if you have a bigger family or more people to feed. And it's quite simple and easy to prepare. There's very few ingredients, and you can add in or take out whatever you like. What I would say that you really need is the potatoes and the onion. And the garlic also adds a lot of flavor, but you need the potatoes, you need the onion, and of course, you need the egg for the omelet. Make this for your friends and family. It's gonna be a huge hit, and it's gonna be gone within minutes. I guarantee that. Oh, I'm gonna take another bite here. I could have this probably every day of the week and not get tired of it. It is absolutely incredible. And as always, if you like this video, remember to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you like to put into your Spanish omelette. And remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell for more delicious recipes. I will see everyone soon. Till next time, bye everyone.